In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put little numbers above words in Google Docs. This will be the easiest way to do it, so let's dive right in. First of all, open your Google Doc where you intend to work on this task, or go ahead and create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once you have your document open, decide on the word or letter you'd like to have a superscript number next to. Type this word or letter in your document, keeping it simple and clear. Next, go ahead and type the number that you want to appear in Superscript immediately after the word or letter. It's important to note that the number should sit right after the text with no spaces in between to give it that perfect attached look. Now here's where the magic happens. Highlight the number you just typed. This is crucial because it's this highlighting that tells Google Docs which text you want to alter into Superscript format. Once the number is highlighted, direct your attention to the top menu of your Google Doc. Click on the Format tab in the menu bar. It's usually nestled between the Insert and Tools tabs, easy to find once you know where to look. Within the Format tab, you'll see an option labeled Text. Move your cursor over Text, and you'll see a sub-menu appear with several text formatting options. Among these options, you'll find Superscript. Click on Superscript. As you do this, you'll immediately notice the highlighted number shrink and move up to sit nicely at the top of the word or letter you chose, creating that polished, professional look of a superscript. And there you have it. The number has become a small, elegantly placed superscript at the top of your selected word or letter. This method is not only quick, but ensures your document maintains a neat and standardized appearance, whether you're working on academic papers, mathematical texts, or any document that requires that little extra formatting touch. That's all it takes to add a superscript in Google Docs. Remember, like with any digital task, practice makes perfect. The more you use this feature, the more intuitive it will become. If you found this tutorial helpful, please feel free to like, comment, or subscribe for more straightforward tips like this. Thanks for watching.